Hello folks, everything feels more expensive lately. By the time Samsung releases its new smartwatches, you'll definitely be feeling that. The Galaxy Watch 5 and Watch 5 Pro prices have been leaked online today. They show that the new watches will be more expensive than the models they replace, at least upon release. Will the new smartwatches be worth the increased price tag? That's certainly a million-dollar question. With the polarizing changes that Samsung is expected to make to its new wearables, the higher prices may not go down with customers that easily. The leak comes from usually reliable Roland Quant on Twitter, who has been right about these things on several occasions. The prices for both the Galaxy Watch 5 and Galaxy Watch 5 Pro have been revealed. These former will be available in 40 and 44mm, while the Pro will only be offered in 45mm sizes. Let's see, the 40mm Galaxy Watch 5 will reportedly cost 300 and 350 euro for the Bluetooth and LTE models respectively. Colors options include pink gold, grey and silver. Expect to pay 350 euro or 400 euro for the 44mm Bluetooth and LTE models. They will be available in blue, grey and silver colors. Finally, the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro will come in one size, 45mm. In its Bluetooth-only iteration, it will go for 490 euros, while if you add LTE, you'll have to pay 540 euros. The Pro will be available in black and titanium. Expect prices in a similar range in other markets across the globe. Compare this to the 40mm Galaxy Watch 4 that costs 269 euro for the Bluetooth model and 319 for the LTE. The base models will thus be more expensive by 31 euro. The 44mm Bluetooth and LTE models of the Galaxy Watch 4 cost 299 and 349 respectively. The models that replace them will be more expensive by 51 euro. Similarly, the 46mm Galaxy Watch 4 Classic, which will be replaced by the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, costs 399 euro for the Bluetooth and 449 euro for the LTE models. Both models of the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro will cost 91 euro more to buy. These price hikes are quite something if you calculate them in percentage points. That's a significant price increase and it's not going to make customers too happy. Basically, it's more expensive than a lot of upper mid-range phones on the market. Let's not forget that Samsung also seems to be ditching the physical rotating bezel from the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. Not only will that be a foolish decision, but trying to sell that at a higher price would be the same as giving customers a bitter pill to swallow. This is a kind of suicide for the legendary smartwatch. Moreover, according to Iceoniverse, the upcoming Pro is gonna have a big-ass bezels. But guys, what do you feel about the expected price increase of the Galaxy Watch 5 and the changes that Samsung is making to it? Will you buy the new watch at this price? Let us know in the comments below. You can also watch other videos on our channel. For example, yesterday we discussed the latest leaks regarding the Galaxy S23 series. Check out the link in the description. Anyway, thanks for watching and good luck to all.